let's make some soft chapati. You're gonna love this. So stay tuned and see how I make this magic. Sasa, I want to make some chapati. My husband told me, are you not making me chapati? Nikasema sasa, wacha nimpikie chapati. I'm gonna just make a few, maybe 4 or 5. But let's go. So I'm gonna take some of the Cowboy and put it here. Put it and then melt it in the microwave for 30 seconds, not more than that. So this is my microwave. I'm gonna put it in. Meanwhile, as that is doing that, you put your flour. I said I only want a few chapels, so we ain't overdoing this flour. So my thing is just melted. I'm gonna add 30 more seconds. And then this is the trickiest part, guys. The water. Let me show you how to do the water measurement. Make sure your water has salt and sugar. So this is my water. It's very mild and warm, not too hot, like, I don't know, but it doesn't have to feel too hot. It just has to be warm. Kama ile, you know, if you're at a restaurant, those traditional restaurants, and they give you water to wash your hands, that type of warm. Yes, that type of warm. So my thing is melted. I'm gonna put it here to this, and then now let's get some sugar and salt. Then tuanze kuvuruga imaneno. My husband is like, I want chapati, so let's do this. Chapati for Sammy. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt. Okay, and then a lot of sugar. So that is coming in. You have to go in with your oil. It's very important. Make sure this oil rests though, because you want your thing to be softer. So tuanze kuvuruga hiyo tukiongeza maji. I said I'm only doing a few chapels, so yeah, I hope I can try and make less than 5 chapels. Hey, itakuwa soft. Endelea kukanda, ongeza unga kama wataka. So we added some bit of flour. Tutaenda kusukuma tu mpaka itoke kwa mkono, ndo tujue tuko salama. You see now it's starting to leave my hand. That's when you know the unga is about to get there. It shouldn't be too sticky on you. It should also be soft. So inaanza kutoka kidogo tu, but almost done. So after that, just add a bit of oil. This respects you, eh? Because now we're about to turn it. So it's taifunika. You see the way it's out of my hands now? Yeah, it shows that the knead is done. Na bado iko na mafuta. Ndo hivyo. This is how dough is kneaded. The perfect chapati dough. You see, it has to come out of your hands automatically. I've been kneading it. That's when you know the chapati is going to be soft. Okay. I'm going to cover this for a while and then we'll come back to our workstation later to changa changa. Now that everything is done, you can serve it with your favorite stew. And let me know if you want the stew recipe, and I'll drop that as well. That was pot roast for me, and pot roast and chapati just goes well. How would you rate my chapatis on 1 to 10? Let me know, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.